So you just got your Takeuchi and you're wanting to know what the in-cab controls are, monitor screen, and the buttons do. Let's get it figured out. So you got your hydraulic lock button right here. You gotta have your lap bar down. You hit that button, then you'll have hydraulic flow to move your loader arms. You got your regen, so if you don't want it to regen, if you're inside a hay barn or in a building, you can turn that off and turn it back on, of course. Then you got your lights. You got your windshield wipers, your windshield wiper fluid, and this is eco mode. I get asked all the time, when should we use this? You shouldn't. All right, we're gonna go through the monitor screen. So the far left button is your menu button, your trip button. This button right here can change your load. So if you wanted to do minimum, you can change that. You got your aux. So this is your 3 precinct auxes. You got grapple, trencher, and a mulcher. And they're all preset, you can change those. Then the far right one is your camera. So the far left button is your menu. Anything with a wrench you can change. Anything with an eye is just information. The excavator with the wrench will be your main one you go in, so you can change your first aux. There's 3 precincts that I was telling you about that you can save. This is how you would change the flow. So this has a grapple, trencher, and a mulcher. If you wanted to change it, then you can change to any of these precincts. You can go back with the menu button. If you wanted to change the flow, you just click enter, then you can go up or down. One thing you notice, it says liters per minute. We don't run it like that. That's from the factory. So you would back out. You'd go to the, I call it a washing machine with a wrench. It'll say liters per minute or gallons per minute. We run gallons per minute on all of our attachments. You change it to that. So let's go back to the first. So everything will say gallons per minute. Then you can change your flow rating. So this is at 100% A and B. Then if like a mulcher, of course, you'd run at 100% if it's a high flow. You just go on the base of the specs of your attachment. And right here on that power control I was telling you about, you can turn your power control off and the auto camera off right here on this screen. Pretty much it going through the monitor screen, then you have everything back on. All right, so on the left side of the cab, you're gonna have your quick hitch. So to unlock it, you'll just hold it down, it'll beep at you. All cabs come standard with that on Takeuchis. You got your aux G and your aux H, your auto leveling bucket, your continuous flow, then your one way. In order to introduce continuous flow, it'd be your A button right here. Then to stop it, you can either use your B or you can turn your continuous flow off. I prefer to do the continuous flow because then you don't hear the break of the attachments. On the left side, you also have your radio, your AC and heat. I get asked that all the time. I want a radio that's Bluetooth. It is Bluetooth. And another thing, on any of your joystick controls, you have stickers. So you have your A, B, your continuous flow, your B, rabbit mode. Then on the other side over here too, your auto leveling, your horn, anything that you have on your joysticks, the stickers will show, or give your rep a call.